So, for over a decade, CTFN has been working with the Yukon River Intertribal Watershed Council and the Indigenous Observation Network program. This is a program that works with nations and tribes to collect water quality data throughout the Yukon River watershed. Currently, we sample 9 sites monthly when access is possible, and we sample a few others when we can. Recently, we have also done targeting shorter-term sampling to help answer questions like, is this stream suitable for salmon? The Southern Lakes are a big area, and we have limited capacity, and our work is literally just at the surface. So when Ashley came up to us proposing the Yukon River Headwaters Project, which could fill many of our monitoring gaps and could be designed based on CTFN's input, we were more than happy to partner up.
Different spaces across the headwaters, including these the Juneau ice field and the waters that drain from there. And so there's these 6 major tributaries that drain from the Juneau ice field and the glaciers, and they're releasing quite turbid waters. There's a lot of sediment held up in these. The glaciers do a really effective job at grinding the underlying bedrock into really fine sediment, and then that sediment is transported in the glacier, large glacier rivers. And so in these glacier rivers, we're seeing, not surprisingly, a lot of glacial sediments with mineral signatures. So we see lots of iron, lots of arsenic, including some naturally occurring contaminants, as well as naturally occurring nutrients such as phosphate being flushed into the side of the catchment. This is on your drive down to Atlin, so you go past Little Atlin Lake and the Lubbock River, Hitchcock, Indian, 4th of July, Pine, and O'Donnell catchments. We're looking at the water quality and the flows coming out of these tributaries as well. These tributaries don't have glaciers in them. They're characterized by a lot of forest catchments, a lot more vegetation on this side of on the headwaters. And with that, one of the features that we've observed is a relatively high percentage of wetland in these catchments, and that wetland seems to be correlated with a relatively high abundance of dissolved organic carbon in the waters. And this dissolved organic carbon can really feed the microbial ecosystem that serves at the base of the aquatic ecosystem. And so it appears that some of these streams have very different characteristics and very different kind of nutrient loads going into the Southern Lakes.